to tell about depression. You know what is depression? Depression क्या है? What is the cause of depression? Depression का कारण क्या है? How do people get into depression? लोग depression में कैसे चले जाते हैं? And finally, how to overcome from depression? And depression से बाहर कैसे आते हैं? I am here to tell about these things one by one. But before starting, I should introduce myself. I am Damsha Shamim. I am from Chaman Road, Kopagan, and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English, which is the best guide of English language. I want to say something to you. जिंदगी की हकीकत को बस हमने जाना है. जिंदगी की हकीकत को बस हमने जाना है. दर्द में अकेले और खुशियों में सारा जमाना है. दर्द में अकेले और खुशियों में सारा जमाना है. So without any further delay, let's get start my speech about depression. First of all, what is depression? Depression क्या है? Depression is a common mental disorder. It is estimated that 5% of adults suffer from the disorder. Even 1 in 10 people worldwide are affected from depression. It is characterized by persistent sadness and lack of interest. Second one is, what is the cause of depression? How do people get into depression? There is no single cause of depression. It can occur for a variety of reasons. Like if your relationship with your partner breaks down, you are likely to feel low, and you may start seeing friends and family, and you may start drinking more. Some studies have also suggested that you are likely to make depression. For some people, a negative, stressful, and stressful family also fall to depression. And third one is, what happened to people with depression? Depression में लोगों के साथ क्या होता है? In depression, people disrupt from career, relationship, and daily tasks such as self-care and housework. In depression, there is no pleasure or joy in life. Making decisions, reading, watching television seems harder with depression because people can't think or follow what is happening. Everything feels low. Self-esteem is often absent in depression. In this, sleeping may be difficult and energy levels are too much low. In most cases, depression causes suicide. And finally, how to overcome from depression? People can come out from depression like as try to do something that you love, something that pleasurable. It could be playing an instrument, painting, hiking, or biking. Spending time in nature can also have a powerful influence on person's mood. Exercise and physical activity can also help to overcome from depression. I want to say a quote about depression. टेंशन, डिप्रेशन और स्ट्रेस उतना ही ले जितने में काम हो जाए. टेंशन, डिप्रेशन और स्ट्रेस उतना ही ले जितने में काम हो जाए. उतना नहीं कि जिंदगी ही तमाम हो जाए. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. I want to say thank you all for coming. Thank you so much to everyone.